realize you had a choice of several exits, so this way is
It is so freaking hot.
The heat.
Oh. Everybody is here and we're dying in the heat. It's supposed to be 28 degrees. It is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Anyway, whatever. Edges in 5 seconds, no brush, nothing, just with the fingers, guys.
Just a twing. Thank you to my nail lady. Shout out.
No, it looks really good, and it's holding.
It's holding, and I like the moisture, and I like the fact that it also like sleek, like presses it at the same time.
So this is my room. It's very standard. And then there's me. It's bathroom, shower. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, I think it's decent for one person. And we got a little drop. Ooh, it's heavy. Okay. It's pretty. I like heavy product drops. Got some leave-in. What is this? Conditioner treatment, shampoo, anti-breakage overnight treatment. Okay. Was a twist and curl pudding. And then 7-in-1 leave. Ooh. And then what's this? Oh, it's cute. Love it. Good morning, guys. I am getting ready. I woke up bright and early this morning. It was around past 4. Right now it is 5:10 in the morning. Getting ready to head to the first day of shooting for Creme of Nature. So this is toner. Oh, you can see I'm tired. Okay, yeah, this is toner. I don't bring much skincare. So it's gonna make the most what I got. I'm gonna do what I can with what I got. I just love toner. It just makes me feel like I've awoken. And just extra dew because I was sweating yesterday, chair. I actually think I'm gonna take off my necklace because I love this necklace, and it doesn't seem to be an integral part of the shoot. Okay, Take that off. And then let's put some perfume. It's important because you get changed so much. Just start sweating. So yeah, I like this top. It's from Zara. I love a crisscross. I'm not sure if I'm wearing it right. I think I should actually just tie it to the, oh, should I just tie it on the side? Yeah. I'm wearing a bralette, guys. I barely wear bras anymore. Ooh, chair. What's going on here? Okay. Alright, next. I'm just using my Garnier Dark Spot Corrector. Guys, I'm doing makeup today. It's very important that you moisturize. Just applying that. And then because I am a little bit tired, I'm using this eye cream from the Standard. Yeah, I'm using this eye cream. I believe in it, gel. So I don't sleep much in general, so this really saves me. And then I'll probably use some eye drops. Just massaging it well. Actually, I should be doing my, okay. So I'm actually doing some wall squats because doctor's orders while I'm doing this. It's just to strengthen my knees after my situation recently. I have this long-standing injury that is just showing me flames. Next, sunscreen. And very important, always put something on your neck too, and a bit on your hands. I'm just gonna put a little bit more. It is 31 degrees, guys. I left rainy Joburg to beaming hot Kaapstad. Ooh. Okay. Very simple skin routine. I did a sheet mask last night, so I think that's working in my favor. And then yeah, last bit on my hands. Let's go.
I've been waiting for just a moment, some time with you, but I'm impatient and you don't notice the way I look at you. I chose to put the same amount of effort into you like you do with me.
Okay, so I'm actually packing my bag now, because some of my clothes have been used in the shoot as with the other girls, and just want to double check I'm not leaving anything. Oh my god, what is this? Can you just take this one? Just in case. Okay. Yeah, so just picking so I can get down to the shuttle.
I need updating. Tell me something, the way you think of me. 'Cause I've been writing, busy talking to you, and you never really talk to me. Were you ever really wanting me? Yeah. I chose to put the same amount of effort into you like you do with me. I chose to put the same amount of effort into you like you do with me.
And we're off, chat. Let's get this. As I know I look like such a diva. It's early, chat. Gotta have my glasses on. Let me put my mask on. And don't wanna be late for the shuttle. Let's get this day started, shall we? How are you feeling?
Can do that nice under eye brightening.
Okay.
And not fresh face, but bridal soft glow.
Okay. Sounds fantastic.
Oh, look at the act. Okay.
So that the grip game is small.
Yes. Is it quite thick? Or is it a light oil?
It's a thick one.
Okay. Okay.
Do you like a thick one?
No, I don't mind.
Or anyone?
I was just interested to know.
Oh,
I'm too lazy to touch it myself.
yeah.
That's what we're using. Creme of Nature. Yeah, you know what we're doing. Look at the technique. Okay, look at the technique. Yeah, okay.
You know, she looks in it.
That's actually quite smart.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I did do it a few days ago. So.
Just so, so that at least when we thingy yesterday, she's nice. It rolls out liquor.
Yeah, and then as we go, yes, yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah, I got you.
Okay, stunning. You know what I mean? Because it's obviously traditional business and you want it later. Okay, man.
Look at this face, child. Look at that.
This is the vlog.
Yeah.
Can't show your face though. Because thank you.
No, but I also like.
Thank you. Oh, this is where the lights is. That's where the lights is. Because okay.
The Vito, you know. I'm so happy that makeup is doing what I love.
As it should.
You know. Yes, child.
We're gonna do the poof.
Light, guys. What a hectic day. Ooh. Okay, here we go. We've been filming since like 6. Face is held up. It's good. Now we are on lunch break.
What golf people?
Hello. The long table.
Less people, it's about 6. Is it still
Okay, morning guys. So last day of our Creme of Nature shoot, and we're also checking out because our flight is at 8 o'clock this evening, so it's gonna be very, very tight. We've got 2 locations that we're shooting at. A lot of footage we're gonna capture, so it's gonna be a tight day. I am sleep deprived, but don't mind my nails. I'm sleep deprived, but I'm ready to get this day, okay? Let's go.
It's good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted.
beautiful. Oh, this is full choreography, okay? Yes!
There's a wind and all of that, you know what I mean? Very strong. Nice and fun.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah. But you see, it's getting better now. When it's away from your face.
And they like it's all about like
Yeah. Hi. Oh, you know why? It's doing a gap. It's far off here at the back.
Were you wondering?
I think when you were sleeping, I was like, why is there a gap at the back? Guys, give me the
Yeah, they
answers. Sway. Do you have the answers?
Can you do this yourself?
What do you mean?
Like at home?
Yeah, I can. Actually, wasn't. It was just pins and the actual hair fiber. Yeah. We also get ones that have actual sewn-on grips. Because I have the ones with sewn on grips, which are cool. Come in really handy.
I love the fact that this light is here because it helps me to get my definition together.
How much time do we have to shoot? We have like an hour or 30 minutes.
No, 30 minutes.
Yeah. It's the amazing race of filming.
You're gonna get on the airplane looking like this.
I'm gonna be pulling off these things on the
On the way back.
because. So we are at the covered bridge. Got people living on the bridge, so it's going to be very interesting. Gonna make sure that we're safe. And look at this beautiful gorgeousness. Hello, honey. Hello. Oh, look at the face. Oh, that beach is looking
I'm like
good.
hanging on it.
Hanging, we're almost there.
So
almost
tired.
there. Come in.
Beautiful. Perfect. We have protection. Okay.
I just want to get that on. You see, I rather want to tuck this there so that it, you know what I mean? So it does that rather. You
Oh, I
understand
see,
what
yeah.
I'm saying? So it does that. Vibes, yeah. Yes.
It's been that tough road. We
It's
made it to
but
the
we
end.
made it. We made it to the day. If you're not ready for the day.
I'm
I love
Charlie.
you.
I'm the director. Thanks. Bye.
That is the genius behind all of this amazingness. Did you run? This is the world driving past us. Sila.
Let me contact my advisor.
Always has so much energy. Yes, honey. Oh, no, you look so good in that shot. Yes. Look, I'm walking past my local office building. Okay, so what we had to do was stuff toilet paper in our shoes because our shoes decided to slip and slide. And you know, today I felt like a real model. Like we were under serious.
No, you are a real model.
I'm a real model.
We had proper
Thank you. And it is mine because it has the gum under. We went through it today, but we did well.
But we did well. We have amazing shots together.
So exciting.
Oh my gosh, you're amazing. I don't know why you keep saying I'm not a real
amazing.
model. I'm not amazing.
Please, ma'am.
Your girl.
Nickelodeon
Your girl.
of Africa. Eh? Face off. Excuse me. I've made it, okay?
I've made
Mommy.
it. I'm in the blood. I'm in
Mama
the
made
blood.
it. Look at me. Okay, I'm with a celeb, like a real one. It's like
Let's do a real.
Oh, I've been asked to do my own
and after.
to go see. I'm doing
Oh
Oh my word. I don't know if I must bring you to your class.
You should.
I should.
You should. No. You should. You really. Yeah.
You know, babe, I want to go overseas first, get more rankings. You know what I'm saying? Get a little rank,
Don't wait.
Oh, I was in Europe for 6 months, man.
I got training from the best.
You know what I'm saying? And then I'll be like, yeah. You know? I think it's also imposter syndrome. As we rush to the airport because we are trying to make sure we don't miss our flight. It's been fun.
This people
Tell me how the best time. We made it. Fastest trip to the airport that I've ever experienced in Cape Town, honestly. It's very so happy to be going home. Okay guys, I am back in Joburg. I actually want to wrap up my vlog here, but I'm back with my favorite person. He's busy, and yeah, actually, I'm at his work, at his office. We're above Nostra and Jaleli, and I'm just busy wrapping up my video while my vlog, and yeah, I'm feeling quite tired. See the bags under the eyes, but I'm so grateful that everything wrapped up the way it did, and I hope my baby doesn't look too big in the video because my period started on the last day and I was super swollen, so I'm hoping it doesn't look too bad. But yeah, it was an awesome time. The weather in Joburg thankfully is beautiful. It's not as cold as it was when I left, so very grateful for that. And yeah, so I'll have some breakfast now.